Chapter 44. Know Who to Trust. For some reason, the doctor wore an eye patch. "Why do you wear that thing?" asked Billy, pointing to his eye. "Billy," I said, trying to shush her. "That's rude." "What?" she asked. "I just want to know." The doctor smiled. "It's fine. My left eye doesn't work very well. An old mountain bike injury, so I wear this." The nurse came in. "Are you finished with your breakfast, Billy? 'Cause we're clearing everything away." "No," yelled Billy, running out of the bedroom door. The doctor smiled again. People were always amused by Billy. Somehow, this morning, she wasn't as amusing to me. My head hurt. "So, tell me again what happened. I know you told me a little last night, but I want to make sure I have everything straight," Pirate Doctor said. He was right. I had been too tired to explain everything last night, but I had given him Julie's phone numbers. "I already told you," I said. The skin around his good eye crinkled. "Come on. Billy told me her part, so I have the basics, but there's more. I know. You might as well get used to telling it, because a police officer is coming by soon, now that you're up." I ignored my achy head. "No. First, we have to call Julie. The truck driver said we could call her first." Pirate Doctor said, "I called her and left a message." I lay back down on the bed and covered my eyes. My insides burned like a bonfire. Where was she? Didn't she know we needed her? Didn't she know our dad was crazy? He held up a little paper cup. "Also, I need you to take this medicine." I shook my head. "Well, it's your choice, but if you think you have a headache now, just wait until the painkiller wears off." He jingled the cup of pills. I sighed and held out my hand. "Now, that's good. You'll thank me later." The pills scratched as they went down, and I slopped water all over myself. "Come on, tell me what happened to your sister." "The same thing that happened to me. Our dad left us at the gas station and never came back." His one visible brown eye blinked. "She said that. But why does she have a bruise on her cheek?" "Ask her," I said. I didn't know why I was protecting our dad. Maybe part of me still thought he was ours, even though he was awful. His blood was my blood, and that counted for something, didn't it? "She said she fell." I picked at the corner of the sheet where a thread had come loose. His one good eye bored into me like it was never going to stop searching for the truth. I closed my eyes and focused on the pounding in my cranium. I'd always liked that word, cranium. It sounded smart. But inside my head there was Billy's face. No squiggly line between her eyes, no dirty hair or pinched face, just her golden self, before everything happened. That's how she should always look. She should. But I just couldn't tell, not yet. "She fell," I said finally, waiting for the earth to crack open because I was such a big fat liar. But nothing happened. Pirate Doctor said, "You can't separate us. We're staying together, Billy and me, promise." He paused. "Doctors never make promises. I don't care what happens to us, but we have to stay together. I take care of her. She needs me. I'm not the one that gets to make that decision, but I'll do what I can. I promise." He smiled, like maybe he meant it.